In this video, we focus on wooden supercars that are designed with detailed relief carvings. Skilled craftsmen use traditional wood carving and whittling techniques to create beautiful patterns on each car. The carvings feature deep textures, swirling patterns, and intricate designs that show the passion for detail in every stroke. This fusion of classic wood art and modern automotive design creates a stunning visual experience that stands out in the world of concept cars. For those who prefer a sleek, modern look without the detailed carvings, there is also a clear car option available that highlights the pure beauty of natural wood. These vehicles can be found in modern showrooms, design exhibitions, and even cozy home galleries around the world. Many viewers are fascinated by the process behind these exquisite designs. The craftsmanship begins with carefully selecting high-quality wood, which is then shaped and refined using traditional whittling techniques. Each step is a blend of creativity and precision, resulting in unique patterns that capture the natural grain of the wood along with the artist's vision. The detailed relief carvings not only enhance the car's appearance, but also add a sense of history and tradition to each vehicle. These hand-carved designs serve as a tribute to the timeless art of whittling and the enduring beauty of natural materials. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Epic Compare channel and like this video if you enjoyed our exploration of wooden luxury supercars and their amazing wood carvings. Drop a comment below and tell us which car you like most. Your support means a lot, and we look forward to sharing more creative designs with you soon.